What's up, HD Squad? Happy Monday, welcome back to the channel. My name is Debonae, for those of you who are new to the channel. And here we talk about herbs and yoga and plant medicine and wellness. But today we are going to talk about a fabulous tea that is going to help to clear your lungs, especially if you are suffering from any of this debris in the California fires. But you know what we do before we get started with the information, girl. We share that music. So let's get started. I'm on the SoundCloud and see Chance's name. Nothing but rain. Here's the breakdown, my favorite part. I had to feel too. I cracked this holy grail, washing over me. Yeah. What's up, HD Squad? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Debonae, for those of you who are new. So this video is just going to be really quick and really straightforward and simple. So we're going to do a herbal video today, and I live in California, so I have been noticing a lot of people have been really worried about the fire, so I just wanted to come and offer a little bit of something that will hopefully help to comfort you. So if anyone has seen the photos that have been floating around, or anyone's seen the news, you know that there's a lot of smoke and debris in the air that's causing a lot of problems with us being able to breathe and with us having these coughs. So I'm just here to give you a super simple recipe that you can use to help clear your lungs and help to improve your breathing while we are getting these fires extinguished. So this recipe is actually going to be a flax and peppermint tea. Flax, yes, you can make tea from flax. So I have the recipe on my Instagram. If any of you guys follow me, feel free to go check it out there, but I'm gonna give it to you here and I'm gonna give you the benefits of it. So if anyone watched my first video on the benefits of peppermint, you know that peppermint is super fabulous when it comes to respiratory conditions. It naturally contains menthol, and the menthol is actually very soothing to your throat, to your lungs. It helps to reduce inflammation and open up your air pathways. So that is why peppermint was one of the herbs that I chose for this recipe. Flax was the other herb that I chose for this recipe because of the mucilage. As we know, flax, when you grind it down or when you boil it, it gets a lot of mucilage, really sticky, gooey stuff. But this stuff is actually fantastic for helping your digestive tract and also helping all the other mucous membranes in your body. So when you combine the flax and the peppermint, you're going to get the cooling sensation of the peppermint that helps to reduce inflammation. You're also going to get the benefits of the mucilage from the flax and the healthy fats. So the mucilage from the flax will actually help to coat your mucous membranes, help to re-moisturize them, and it actually helps your mucous membranes to clear themselves. So if you're coughing, it's going to help you to cough up any debris. It's going to help clear all that stuff away that's maybe trapped in your, your throat. So that is the recipe. Just 2 herbs, super simple, super effective. You can also use peppermint essential oil in your diffuser or just rub some in your hands and sniff that. You can also feel free to add some vegetable oil to your chest and add just 1 drop of peppermint and rub that on. Just inhaling the vapors from your chest and also having the essential oil medicine will help to absorb into the skin so your chest cavity will be able to be clear. So I make this by simply adding 1 heaping tablespoon of peppermint to a cup and boiling some flax. And so let me just break this down really quick. So you're going to want to start off with about 3 cups of boiling water. After that, go ahead and pour your boiling water over your peppermint. Let that steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. And while that is steeping, go ahead and add your flax to the remaining boiling water. Boil that for about 3 to 5 minutes or as soon as it starts to get foamy. After that, go ahead and strain off your flax, strain off your peppermint tea if you're using loose leaf peppermint. Then go ahead and combine these teas together and you're going to have a fabulous, really soothing, really amazing herbal tea to drink that's going to help with your cough. It's going to help to clear your lungs, and it's also going to help to just relax your nervous system because peppermint is also a natural adaptogen. So it can help uplift you or it can help to bring your nerves down to a calm space. So thank you so much, family, for coming back to the channel. My name is Debonae, for those of you that are new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be next week. And I might actually hold myself to uploading those meditations that I was supposed to do twice a month. So I think I'll go ahead and upload one of those maybe today or tomorrow. But yeah, I love you guys. Be on the lookout for the next video, and you know what to do. Hit the like button, if you found any of this information helpful, and subscribe. You know you're gonna be back searching my name anyway in the next couple of days for what other videos that got posted, so I mean, you might as well subscribe. I mean, is it hurting you? I'm just gonna sit here and wait for you to like hit that subscribe button. Still waiting. You still waiting, I'm still waiting.